and it's still hurting.
Did it? Let's see. Oh, that looks so. I wouldn't want that.
Can you put some cream on?
Don't think we should do that. It feels very dry. Anyway, we just got back from our holiday and we're going to do a video review of that for our next video. And as we got back from our holiday,
We got Shopkins and dogs. And dogs.
I can't find my dog, so I'm not
Anyway.
putting it in the video.
Don't have to.
So, should we open them?
Actually, open the Shopkins first and do this last.
Yeah, because I don't have a dog. Most of all, to be in this one, I would quite like a tiny toy. I quite like the look of the tiny toys.
Should we both open it at the same time because it's quite light?
This one feels like a boot. If it's not, I'd be very surprised. And
I can feel the twirl that's
I wonder what this one is. So, oh, this one's already open. It's Lola Rollerblade, and I already know that. I didn't get the list out. But Lola Rollerblade in red. So cute. I'm going
Can't
to put
open
it on. No, don't drop it. I
I can't
want this
open
on.
it.
Let's put it there.
I can't open it. I can't open it.
You can't open it.
No.
Second one. Aww. This is cute. This is This is Chucky Croissant in pink. It's actually really cute. Yeah.
And now you can pass it on to our sister.
I say that. Now I'm going to pass it on to my sister.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to pass it on to my sister.
Hello, I'm Evie Atkinson, and I've got a dog as well, and I've got Shopkins. I'm going to open the Shopkins first. They're a little bit peeking out because someone thought I'd get it. Just close them. Oh! They're both already open. Let me open this one first. I'm going to open it. It's a bath. You can have it if you like.
You already have that one. Oh no.
You can have it
Oh
if you
no.
like.
Not yet.
This is that.
Oh, this one.
Look.
That's a different one to my one. What one is that? I think it's a different one.
I've got a little twirl at Bella's.
Yeah, they're different. This
How
is
are they
my
different,
one.
Bella? Oh, they're lighter. That one's lighter. I'll put those there. And now I'm going to open up my doggy. I'm going to open up my doggy. Hello. Open up my doggy now.
She's so impatient.
Ah,
Cute.
woof, woof.
Miminim. The dog's not a Shopkin. We got it from a really cool machine. It's a £1 machine, one of the ones with the twist where you put the pound in and you twist it. And yeah, and we've got a couple of them already, and that's the box.
And I'm going to pop it. So I'm going to put the box to it. And that's all I've got today. Bye-bye.
So, my favourite one, I don't know. I looked at this one through the packet and thought it was blocky. Because it does look a bit like blocky without the blocks. But then I really like this one because I've been wanting it for ages. I don't know, good one.
I like mine. I don't like that.
Doggy doesn't
I've already
like
got
rollerblade.
it.
Doggy
I
doesn't
like
like
that
rollerblade.
one. I like that one. This is the name on there. A-P-O-L-L-O.
Apollo or Apollo, something like that.
And let me open this up. Bella, my sister Isabella is going to help me read it again.
Which one?
This.
The bath or the
No,
gel
all of
roll?
them.
The bath.
All of them.
I know both of their names. I know both of their names. Ah.
So, what's this one called?
That is jelly jam roll.
And who's the sparkle?
That is Bertha Bath. Bertha Bath.
And Polo. Apollo. And I'm going to pop these in. Thanks for helping us open our shotgun. See you next week.
And don't forget to comment and subscribe below. But before you go, Evie, you said thanks for helping us instead of thanks for watching us.